Good evening. Today I would like to introduce you a well-known personality. She is only in her 30s, but she played various roles already in her life and contributed a lot to the society. As a motivational speaker, online English speaking tutor, IELTS trainer, Mindfresh trainer, poem writer, the list goes on. Currently, she is the CEO of At Possible English. In addition to this, she is a non social worker in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. She authored a great book, Speak English Fluently Within 16 Hours. This opens up a novel methodology to learn the English language to all of you and to become a good speaker. She won the Best Motivational Speaker Award at Lions Clubs India. She lives in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. She is none other than Gracie Amala Rani Madam. And the highlight here is if you want to improve your life, you should be a good communicator, good speaker. Madam is a great speaking trainer. You can attend her courses over mobile, WhatsApp, or Zoom. She handles basic, advanced, and on to one training. Call now to the numbers shown here if you want to push yourself into success. See, you are the one to take initiative to motivate you and bring you up. Act now and call to the numbers given 9080181860 or 9629433991. Act now. Good luck.